Welcome back. Now we are going to see scheduling the backups as per your business hours. Based on your project, how it is going on, we can schedule a backup. That is mandatory. I'll show you how to schedule a backup. Here, last video we have seen the snaps, how we can able to take manually. Here you can see scheduling automatically. That is saying here. Okay, go here, create a schedule. What is the server name? That is important. According to your server name, you can give the schedule name. Go back. What is my server name? Is this one. Copy. Go back here. Create schedule. Schedule name. Okay, web server. Your wish. Whatever you want to give, you can give the schedule names. Description. Timing. If you want to give your timing 6 p.m. GMT. Okay. Daily. Something like that. Which region you want to schedule, you can schedule as per your projects. I'm going with EMEA, means Europe or something. Go here, regional. Daily you want to schedule, hourly you want to schedule, weekly you want to schedule, your wish. I'm going with hourly. Okay, now go with daily also. Okay, but the timing as per UTC 23. Okay, fine. Mm, around 22 UTC it is going. If you want to change your timing, 6 o'clock or whatever, something like that, you can schedule it. 14 days. After 14 days, it will delete your snaps. Exactly 14 days. For example, today is 1st. Okay, 14th day. After 15th day, first backup will be deleted. Like this. Now here keep the snapshots you want to schedule. After delete the disk, you want to internally you want to keep the snap. If you want to keep it, you can keep or delete to, that is also 14 days. But as our company norms, we are deleting after 31 days. Okay, that is our schedules. Fine. Just giving 7 days only here. Keep 7 days just for you want to give a label for this, you can give the label whether this is a EMEA dev, something like that. You can give the value. As of now, I'm not giving anything. Which server? This is the server, right? Creating a schedule. Snapshot. See here. Now it will take the time approximately around, this is the time. Open and see this one. You want to delete this schedule, you can delete it. I don't want. If you want to go with delete, you can delete it. Or you can do what you can do. No, I don't want some changes. I want to change this one. Timings you want to change. You here you can see delete this one. You can delete it. But I have given every day, right? You want to check it approximately, means you can give the particular time and you can practice whatever you want. Fine. Snapshots, fine. Schedule. If you want to go with archives, there is no archive. We didn't keep that. Before first video we have seen that, right? In previous videos you can go through that and verify. Okay, as of now this is the snapshot schedule. It will run every day around 19 hours schedule in between. Okay, coming video we can see some more topic like disk. We are going to see disks. Okay, Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Subscribe to my daddy's channel for regular updates. Click on bell icon.